Hello students, next we are going to learn about equation of motion. Equation of motion. Newton studied that motion of an object gave a set of three equations. This equation relate displacement, acceleration, velocity and time of an object under motion. Newton, he studied a motion of an object by using three equations, and he gave the equation by using displacement, velocity, acceleration and time. The three equations are V is equal to U plus AT. Yes, small s is equal to ut plus half into at square. And the third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Here v implies velocity, that is final velocity. U implies initial velocity. A implies acceleration. Small s implies displacement. These are the terms that are given in the above equation. And let's draw a diagram, that is, draw a graph. Let's draw a graph. Okay. A person who is standing at the place here, and this place is taken as D, and he is moving in the upward direction, and he move up to here, and this place is taken as B. And mark the free places in a dotted manner. In a dotted manner. Okay, then we take this as O. This is O. So this is B. B means this is A, and A, B, C, D, and this place is E. And we say that O, the D is the initial point and B is the final point. So initial point is denoted by letter small u, and here T. This shows time graph as well as velocity. Time velocity graph. Time velocity graph. Okay. Let's see the equation. Before that, let's mark what are the things that is taken from the, what are the things we can take from here, from the diagram. Okay. For value u, for u, u means, for u means OD. OD, that similar, that is parallel to EA. OD, that is parallel to EA. And for V means final velocity. This is the final velocity place, and this is the final velocity place. So V is equal to OC. OC equal to EB. OC equal to EB. And next T. T equal to OE. OE equal to DA. These are the things we can take from the graph itself. And let's see the three equations that the Newton set in his to find the motion of an object. Okay, first equation of motion. First equation of motion. First equation of motion. Let's see a formula, that is acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. We can say that the change in velocity as final velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So, what is the final velocity? Final velocity, the acceleration is written in the form of small a. The acceleration we can written in the form of small a. Final velocity, see, final velocity, this is the final velocity, OC. OC is the final velocity. So, OC minus initial velocity, that is OD. Initial velocity, that is OD, divided by time. Divided by time. Time is OE. Time is OE. And see here, this is OC and OD. We can write as DC. OC and OD. OC minus OD is equal to DC. So, DC divided by OE. DC divided by OE. We don't know the value of DC, but we know the value of OE. See here, OE. OE means what? T. OE means what? T. So, T. From this, we can get DC equal to A into T. This T get move to this side. Okay, the T get moved to this side. So, it become AT. AT. And that is DC is equal to AT. So, we get DC equal to AT. That is parallel to AB. So, we can say this AB value also AT. And we know the value of OD, that is U. And we can say that AE also what? U. Isn't it? So, we can write this side equation, that is EB is equal to see here, EB equal to EA plus AB. EA plus AB. So, EA, what is EA? EA is U, AB is AT. EA is U, AB is AT. This is the first equation. This is the first equation. Okay, this is the first equation. Then second equation, that is second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Here also we want to write a formula, that is S equal to area of quadrangle. Area of quadrangle DOEB. See here, DOEB. Quadrangle. DOEB. Quadrangle. In this graph, we can say that this quadrangle have both triangle as well as rectangle. Triangle as well as rectangle. So, we divide the quadrangle into area of rectangle. What are the sides of the rectangle? D DOEA. DOEA plus, what are the side? Then area of triangle. Area of triangle. What are the sides of triangle? DAB. DAB is a side of triangle. So we can return as area of rectangle. What is the formula for rectangle? What is the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. And what is the formula for triangle? Half into B into height. This is the formula for area of a rectangle and area of a triangle. So we can write as L. Area of rectangle DOEA. DOEA. This is the L side. So AE into OE. This is L. This is L. This is L into B, right? So L into B. AE into OE. AE into OE plus half into this is L, sorry, this is height, this is L, so AB into DA, AB into DA, AB into DA, okay va? AB into DA equal to, what is the value for AE? What is the value for AE? AE value is U. U into, what is the value for OE? OE value is T. T plus half into, what is the value of AB? What is the value of AB? AB value is 80. Right? We get the value from the above equation, that is 80. 80 into, what is the value of DA? What is the value of DA? See, where is DA? DA. Here T means, here also it become T, right? So DA value is T. Okay, yeah. I am writing in another paper. So from the continuation of this, equal to we can write UT plus half into AT square. Here the value of S is equal to, formula for S is equal to area of quadrangle. So we can say S is equal to small s, okay, small s is equal to UT plus half into AT square. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. And the third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. Here also the formula is small is equal to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium DOEB. The same diagram, DOEB. For quadrangle also we take this. For quadrangle also we take that DOEB. For trapezium also DOEB. And for trapezium the formula will be different. That is half into sum of length of parallel side. Sum of length of parallel side in sum of length of parallel side into distance between parallel sides. Sum of length of parallel side into distance between parallel side. So we can written as half small s half into sum of length of parallel side. That sum of length of parallel side means this is the sum of length of parallel side, that is OD plus OD plus BE. Sum of length of parallel side. OD plus BE. OD plus BE. And distance between parallel side. Distance between parallel side. The distance between parallel side is OE. OE. So is equal to half into, what is the value of OD? What is the value of OD? That is small u. Small u plus, what is the value of OBE? BE. The full BE is V. Okay, yeah. BE is small v. Small v. Into, what is the value of OE? We knew that. OE is T. T. So it becomes half into U. Wait. In the same manner, we know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity. We have written here. Acceleration is equal to what? Change in velocity divided by time. Right? Acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. So change in velocity means what? Final velocity. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Right? So what is final velocity? Final velocities we can written as v, and initial velocity we can written as u. Okay, divided by t. From this interchange a and t. So t come here. T is equal to v minus u divided by a. Substitute this equation, this 2.1 equation into in this equation, that is u plus v into, for the value of t we can written this. We can write this v minus u divided by a. Okay, yeah. So here is s. Here s is already there. Here s is already there. So we can take the 2 and a into this side. That is 2as is equal to, and see here the u is here and this u is here. So from this you understood that the u will be the negative and v will be positive. That is v square minus u square. Okay. Here also a formula is applying. That is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This formula that is applies in this place. In this place, u plus v into v minus u. We can write, if you are confused, write like this: u plus v. Sorry, v plus u. See, you can change this. That is v square minus u square. V square minus u square. V square minus u square, and we need the value of v square. We need the value of v square. So keep the v square here and take the u square here. So v square equal to 2as plus u square. Change this. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is equation number 3. These are the 3 equations of motion that Newton said for the equations of motion of an object. Okay.